Good morning, dear students. I, Professor Basavaraj Koluche, welcome you all for today's lecture of Practicals on Skill Development. In previous class, we have seen the meaning of non-trading organization, meaning of trading organization, then the characteristics of non-trading organization, and today we will see the core values. The practical aspects in the first module, what you are supposed to do is you are supposed to visit some organization. It should be a trading or non-trading. After going to that organization, you are supposed to say understand the way or the type of organization, then see the functions of that organization. You are supposed to see that organization. After seeing that organization, you are supposed to note down the functions of that organization, and after finding out the functions, you are supposed to say find out the core values of that organization. Now, what are these core values? Core values means those values or those practices what that organization does, or the practices what the organization does apart from earning profits. Every organization is trying to earn profit, but here the organization is following certain set of values or certain set of rules to earn that profit, or while earning that profit, these ingredients or these values need to be followed. The values may be, for example, if you see any restaurant where you go and order a food, they some restaurants they follow a value that they will request you not to waste the food, because it is their value where they are respecting the food and they are requesting you not to waste the food. This is one of the practices of good values or core values that organization is doing. Similar way, when you're going to visit a non-trading organization, there you will see the values at that organization. For example, if you visit some sports club, there they may have value that the needy and poor students who are very good at sports or who are outstanding at sports, their economical support is given by those clubs. So that is the value of that club. So when you are visiting those organizations, you are supposed to say find out the core values of that organization. Core values may be the principles what they follow in their organization. It may be related to their workers. It may be related to their say practices or rules of their for their employees. Today only there was an announcement that Mahindra company is going to give 5 years salary to the dependents of the people from their company who have lost their lives because of COVID-19. So this is a value added work they have done for benefit of their workers. So the principles what they follow, then ethics. There are certain organizations, they follow ethics at every point, and they don't allow their employees or their directors to do any unethical work in that organization. Especially if you see in Belgaum, Polyhedron Group is said or treated as a temple of ethics, because there the Hundre family have set certain set of ethics, and those ethics make that organization as unique and is famous throughout the country, saying that it is a temple of ethics. So that is one value: principles, ethics, then teamwork. Say in any organization you go, teamwork is being treated as the best practice, because if the whole team is working together, then only they can achieve the desired goals. Otherwise, the whole organization will be fail. So, the teamwork is very much essential. Then accountability. Suppose I am going to any organization and there I am just working. Working means ideally I am sitting and coming, but my work is not being accountable. So it will make a loss to that organization. Therefore, whatever task we are doing, whatever say move or whatever decision we are taking, everything is accountable. It is being considered to calculate whether it has gained something or because of which we have lost something. Then code. Code means certain set of codes are followed, like uniform, or say providing lunch, or say providing breakfast, tea. Certain set of codes or certain set of activities are followed in every organization. There are certain codes that uh, uh, mobiles are not allowed in that organization to work while working. So that is the code of that organization. So those kind of codes will be there. The next, golden rules. Every organization has their own golden rules to be followed while recruiting, while marketing, say, while producing, or at every time they have their own golden rules. So those golden rules are to be followed. Then next, mission. Every organization has their own vision and mission. Those vision and missions are to be identified, or the organization works to achieve those vision and mission statements. So here the vision and mission are to be understood. Vision and mission has a simple difference, that long term and short term. Whatever we are doing now, it is the mission to achieve the vision long term of the organization. The next, integrity. There should be integrity in every organization, or among the employees of the organization, to achieve the goals or to behave properly with everybody. So integrity should be there. Then next, customers first. Mahatma Gandhi ji said that customer is the god, because if customer is satisfied, he will add on some customers to our organization. But on the other hand, if the customer is not satisfied, he may public, or he may say give suggestion to others that so and so product or so and so company is not good and all. So here the customer is should be treated as first, and he should be satisfied. His wants should be identified, his desires should be identified, and the satisfaction level what he is getting after using of our product should be calculated, and overall the customer should be treated as first. Then next, guiding the employees, guiding the customers, guiding the teammates, everywhere, every area, the guiding or a proper communication should be there in the organization. And lastly, the corporate values of every organization are different. Those corporate values should be identified, should be understood, and we should learn from these values. Now, after going to that organization, you are supposed to identify the values practiced by that organization. So how you all will practice, or how you will identify the values? Few examples I have given you all now. Based on those examples, you can watch, or you can see in that organization what are the practices they are following, what are the things they are doing. So based upon that, you can say identify and note down followed by that organization. And to identify and note down those core values, we should know first what are those core values that we have discussed now, and some of the examples of core values. So visit some organization, identify the functions there, and identify the core values. So today we have discussed about core values. Tomorrow we shall see the advertisement framing and other things from your first module, and in next class we shall wind up the first module. So with this we shall stop here. Thank you. Good day.